Meet PropertyPal, the all-in-one platform that keeps your properties, tenants, payments, and team organized in one clean dashboard. Let's take a quick look at how it works. Start by adding your property. It supports both residential and commercial properties. Give it a name, address, features, assign tenants, and set your payment account details so tenants always know exactly where to send rent. For commercial units, PropertyPal makes booking effortless. Copy the booking link for any vacant unit and send it directly to your customer. They see the unit features, fill in their details, select their dates, and submit. Once they've made payment, they mark it as done, and you get notified instantly. From your dashboard, review the booking, confirm it, and when they arrive, they can update the check-in status and check out when they leave. Every booking has a full status trail, so nothing slips through. You can easily edit any unit, update the rent amount, change the billing period, or adjust the status. Everything stays in sync automatically. When you're ready to assign a tenant, head to the tenants section and send them a registration invite. Just enter their email, select the property and unit, and hit send. They receive a unique link. They click it, register with their details, and they're automatically linked to that unit. Here's what your tenant sees when they log in: the rent amount, billing period, and their next due date. No confusion, no calls asking how much they owe. When it's time to pay, they click Pay Rent. See your bank details right there on screen. Upload their payment receipt, image or PDF, and submit. You get an instant notification and approve payment. Tenants can also submit maintenance requests with a photo attached, so you know exactly what the issue is before you even pick up the phone. And any announcements you send, whether it's a rent reminder or a building notice, show up right here in their portal. From the Communication tab, send announcements to all tenants, a specific property, or a single tenant, straight to their portal and their inbox. Finally, if you have a team, PropertyPal has you covered. Add staff members, managers, supervisors, and assign exactly which sections they can access. They get their own login and see only what they need. You can also add maintenance workers, plumbers, electricians, handymen, and notify them directly from a maintenance request with one click. PropertyPal, one platform, zero chaos. Get started today.